Hello friends, welcome to my channel Academic Made Easy PC. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and also click the bell icon. In this video, we will be learning exercise 3.2 from the chapter Matrices. In this exercise, we will be learning the basic operations of matrices. In the introduction part, I have taught you the operations of matrices, that is addition and multiplication of matrices. So, just watch it to have an idea of addition and multiplication of matrices and also the properties of addition and multiplication. So, now in this video, I will teach you with the exercise sums. So now let's move on to the questions. Question 1. Let A is equal to 2, 4, 3, 2. B is equal to 1, 3, minus 2, 5. C is equal to minus 2, 5, 3, 4. So now they are asking us to find each of the following. So the subdivisions are given. So now let's move on. And first is A plus B. So A matrix is 2, 4, 3, 2. This is matrix A. Plus matrix B is 1, 3, minus 2, 5. So addition of matrix means what? Add the corresponding elements. Only that is addition of matrices. So I will be adding the corresponding elements. So 2 and 1 is here. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Next 4 plus 3 is 7. So 3 minus 2. What is 3 minus 2? 1. So 2 plus 5. So this is my required matrices, that is A plus B matrices. A plus B. So see here, it's just like normal addition. Only thing we will be adding the corresponding elements. Okay, so see here 3 plus of minus 2. It is just like this, 3 plus minus 2. So it is 1. Okay, there's no much difference. Sorry, I have made a mistake over here. It should be 2 plus 5 is 7. Now, second subdivision, A minus B. So, now let's move on to A minus B. My matrix A is 2, 4, 3, 2. Minus B matrix is 1, 3, minus 2, 5. There are two methods of doing this matrices. Okay, so a standard form and one more shortcut way. The shortcut way is just to see 2 minus 1 is 1, just like that you can write, or else if it is confusing for you, you can write, see, I will teach you one standard form where we will be applying for many. So see here 2, this matrices I will write as it is 3, 2. So we didn't learn subtraction of matrices, isn't it? So only I will be changing my sign over here. So I will have plus, whereas I will be taking this minus sign inside the matrices, that is for each and every element. So my positive numbers will become negative and negative to positive. So 1 will become minus 1, 3 will become minus 3, minus 2 will become plus 2, and plus 5 will become minus 5. So this is a standard form for subtracting a matrices. So now I will write. So now I can add it straight away. So see here 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 2 minus 5 is minus 3. However you do, it is same. Just for doing big sums, we will be using this method. So only I taught you this method in the beginning itself. If this method is confusing for you, just leave out this step. Then you can just directly see 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 minus of minus means plus, 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So if this is confusing, you can just skip this step. Then subdivision 3, 3a minus c. 3a means 3 thrice the matrix of a. Okay, so 3, what is our matrix A? 2, 4, 3, 2. This is the matrix A minus C. What is C? Minus 2, 5, 3, 4. So next, what I will do is that I will multiply this 3 inside for each and every element. So here, why? Because this 3 is for the entire matrices. Okay, so now 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So this is my matrix. So now I will change this sign. So plus, my negative will become positive, my positive will become negative. So minus 2 will become plus 2, 5 will become minus 5, plus 3 becomes minus 3, plus 4 becomes minus 4. So now I can just directly add it now. So now 6 plus 2 is 8. 12 minus 5 is 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is my answer. Subdivision 4. What is my matrix? A, 2, 4, 3, 2. Into B matrix is 1, 3, minus 2, 5. So now I'm going to multiply. So as I taught you in the introduction part, I will teach you now also, just like a recap. So see here, for multiplication of matrices, just see the first matrix alone. So when I see only my first matrix, I will consider only this. Then I have to check how many columns does my second matrix has. Only those two I have to check. So I have 2 rows, 2 columns here, 2 rows and 2 columns over here. So how will I check the order of my matrix? So 2 by 2 and 2 by 2, isn't it? So I will be cancelling the numbers which is inside, that is the same, no, the same numbers are there, so therefore my order will be 2 by 2 itself. So this all I taught you in the introduction part. If you have any doubts, just watch that. I will attach the link in the description box. Now I have 2 columns over here and also here I have 2 columns. So now what I will do is that 2 plus 4, then 2 plus 4. I will write because I have 2 columns here. So now here 3 plus 2 and 3 plus 2. Okay, so now what I will do is that I will multiply with the second matrix. So now I have written the rows. Next I will move on to the columns. So if I move on to the column, so here 1 and minus 2. The first element with first element, second element with second element. Okay, so next I will move on to the second column. So first element with first element, second element with second element. 5. So anyway, here also it's going to be 5 and 3 minus 2, 1. If you just write in a proper order, it will be easy for us to write the same down also. So next step I will have, so 2 minus 8 is minus 6. 6 plus 20 is 26. Next 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 9 plus 10 is 19. So this is my matrix. If you have any doubts in multiplication of matrix, mention it in the comment box. Fifth subdivision, B into A. So now first I have to write my matrix B. So 1, 3, minus 2, 5. So this is my matrix B into my matrix A is 2, 4, 3, 2. You should not change the order. That is, if B into A is given, first you have to write the matrix B and then only A. You can't just write A into B or B into A. Okay, so why means I have already taught you in the introduction part. So B into A and A into B are not equal matrices. So, okay, so therefore first I have to find the order of matrix. So I will write both the orders. That is, order of matrix B is 2 by 2 and my order of A matrix is also 2 by 2. So therefore I will be cancelling out the 2 numbers which is inside. So therefore I will have 2 by 2 matrix again. So now I will be checking how many rows do I have in first matrix and how many columns in the second matrix. Okay, so I have 2 rows in the first matrix and 2 rows in the second, 2 columns in the second matrix. So I will write 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 twice. Why? Because I have 2 columns over here. And minus 2 plus 5, minus 2 plus 5. So my rows from the first matrix is over. So now I will be going to the columns of the second matrix. What should I do with the columns of the second matrix? I have to multiply the columns with the first matrix. So first element with first element, second element with second element. First we will be going in rows and then we will be going in columns. That is the 7 method. 7 method means what? First we will be going like this, then only like this. So that is first row, column. So first row, first element with first element, that is 2. Second element with second element, 3. Next, this row and column is over. So I will be going to the next column. So first element with first element, second element with second element. So now directly I can write for all these 2, 3, 4, 2. If it is in a correct order, you can just write it directly, or else you can see for each and every elements. So now 2 plus 9, 4 plus 6, minus 4 plus 15, minus 8 plus 10. So my answer is 11, 10, 11, 2. So this is my matrix for B into A. So that's it. Question 2. Compute the following. So many subdivisions are given and we will be just adding or subtracting whatever is given we will be doing. So now first subdivision, A, B minus B, A. A, B, B, A. So now directly we will be applying addition. So A plus A is 2A, B plus B is 2B, minus B plus B is 0, A plus A is 2A. So this is the required matrix. That's it. Next, A square plus B square plus C square, A square plus C square, A square plus B square plus 2AB, 2BC minus 2AC minus 2AB. So now I will just add it directly. So A square plus B square plus 2AB. Next, B square plus C square plus 2BC, A square plus C square minus 2AC, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So now we can just leave it directly, or else we have this formula now, a square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b the whole square, and a square plus c square minus 2ac means a minus c the whole square. So therefore I will write a plus b the whole square, b plus c the whole square, a minus c the whole square, a minus b the whole square. Why? Because a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus c the whole square is equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac. Because of this only I have substituted over here. Third subdivision, minus 1, 4, minus 6, 8, 5, minus 6, 2, 8, 5, 12, 7, 6, 8, 0, 5, 3, 2, 4. This is a given matrix. So now we are going to perform addition. So minus 1 plus 12, the corresponding elements I am adding. So 4 plus 7, minus 6 plus 6, 8 plus 8, 5 plus 0, 16 plus 5, 2 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 5 plus 4. So now I will add to get my matrix. So 11, 11, 0, 0, 5, 21, 5, 10, 9. So this is my required matrix. Subdivision 4, cos square x, sin square x, sin square x, cos square x, sin square x, cos square x, cos square x, sin square x. So now I will be adding. So cos square x plus sin square x, sin square x plus cos square x, sin square x plus cos square x, cos square x plus sin square x. So now we know that cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. So therefore I will substitute this value over here. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Because everything is cos square x plus sin square x now. So only it is 1, 1, 1, 1. So what type of matrix it is? Unit matrix. So you have to be very, very thorough with all the types of matrices. Question 3. Compute the indicated products. First subdivision, A, B minus B, A minus B, B, A. So now first we'll check the order of the matrix. So first is 2 by 2 matrix. This one. The next one is also 2 by 2 matrix. So cancelling these two, we will have 2 by 2. Therefore, the order is 2 by 2 only. So we will have 2 rows and 2 columns. So first in this matrix, we have to see only the rows. And in this, we have to see only columns. So I have 2 rows over here, and here I have 2 columns. So I will write A plus B, A plus B. Next I will write minus B plus A, minus B plus A. So this is from my matrix, first matrix. This is my first matrix, this is second matrix. Now for first matrix, everything is over. So in my second matrix, what should I see? I have to see only the columns now. So first element with first element, that is A, and second element with second element B. Next, first element with first element, second element with second element A. So now directly I can write down also B minus B, A. So now I will compute. So a square plus b square minus ab plus ab minus ab plus ab. Next minus of minus, no, so it will become plus b square plus a square. So now here I have with different signs, no, so these two will get cancelled, these two also will get cancelled. So what will be my answer? A square plus b square 0 0 a square plus b square. So therefore this is the required matrix. Subdivision 2, I have two matrices, that is 1 and 2. So two matrices I have. So first one has 1 2 3 2 3 4. So this is the first matrix, has the order 3 by 1, and the second matrix has the order 1 by 3. So how will I find my order? Cancelling out the element that is inside, that is together. Okay, so at last I will have 3 by 3. So this matrix, after multiplying, it becomes 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so now I have to see how many rows do I have in the first matrix. So I have 3 rows, and in the second matrix I have to check how many columns do I have. How many columns? 3 columns I have. So I will write 1 1 1. Since I have only one element, I'm not adding, I'm just writing 1 1 1. So here 2 2 2 3 3 3. So now what am I going to do? I'm going to multiply this. So first element with first element. This is the first element. So 2 3 4. So now directly you can write 2 3 4 2 3 4. So now you can write the answer. So 2 3 4 4 6 8 6 9 12. So this is the required matrix. Subdivision 3, I have two matrix, matrix 1 and matrix 2. So now I have to check the order of my first matrix. What is this? This is 2 by 2 matrix. And here it is 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 matrix. So how will I find the order of my matrix? Cancelling out these two. So I will have 2 by 3 matrix. So the final matrix will be 2 by 3. So now first I will take only the rows of my first matrix, that is 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 1 minus 2, 2 plus 3. So since I have 3 columns now, so therefore, and I will be multiplying with this. So first element with first element, second element with second element, first element with first element, second element with second element, first element with first element, second element with second element. So directly I can write it down. So 1 2 2 3 3 1. So now I will be multiplying it and writing. So 1 minus 4, 2 plus 6, 2 minus 6, 4 plus 9, 3 minus 2, 6 minus 3. So minus 3, 8, minus 4, 13, 1 and 3. So the required matrix of the order 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. Subdivision 4, I have two matrix with the order 3 by 3. Okay, so how will I find my order of matrix? So 3 by 3 and 3 by 3. So I will cancel out these two and I will have 3 by 3 matrix in the answer. So now I will just check my rows of the first matrix. Now, so 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 3 columns I have, so I have to write thrice. So 2 plus 3 plus 4, 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 plus 5, 3 plus 4 plus 5, 3 plus 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5 plus 6, 4 plus 5 plus 6, 4 plus 5 plus 6. So now I have completed my rows. So now I have to move on to the columns. No. So first element with first element, second element with second element, third element with third element. Next in the second column also, first element, second element, third element. Then here again, first element, second element, third element. So now I will write it down. 1, 1, 0, 0, 3, 3, minus 3, minus 3, 2, 2, 0, 0, 5, 5, 4, 4, 5, 5. So now I will have my matrix as 2 plus 0 plus 12, minus 6 plus 6 plus 0, 10 plus 12 plus 20, 3 plus 0 plus 15, minus 9 plus 8 plus 0, 15 plus 16 plus 25, 4 plus 0 plus 18, minus 12 plus 10 plus 0, 20 plus 20 plus 30. So now I will be adding to find my final answer. So 2 plus 12 is 14, 0, 30 plus 12 is 42, next 18, minus 1. So here 25 plus 15 is 40, 40, 56, and here 22 minus 2, 70. So this is my required matrices. So fifth subdivision, I have two matrices given. So now I will first check the order of my matrix. So here it is 3 by 2. And in my second matrix it is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So I will be cancelling these two elements and I will have 3 by 3 matrix. So the order of my final matrix will be 3 by 3. So now I will just take the rows of the first matrix. So 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Then 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1. So now I will be multiplying with the columns. So first element with first element, then second element, then the second column elements, then the third column elements. So now directly I can write it down. So now I will be adding. So 2 minus 1, 0 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3 minus 2, 0 plus 4, 3 plus 2, minus 1 minus 1, 0 plus 2, minus 1 plus 1. So here I will have 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, minus 2, 2, 0. So therefore this is the required matrix. So sixth subdivision, I have two matrix given. So I have to find the order first in order to find the matrix. Okay. So first matrix is of the order 2 by 3. 2 by 3, and next is of the order 3 by 2. So I will cancel these two elements. So next I will have 2 by 2. So next the final answer will be in the order 2 by 2. So therefore I will write 3 minus 1 plus 3, 3 minus 1 plus 3, since I have only two columns. So minus 1 plus 0 plus 2, minus 1 plus 0 plus 2. Whatever you multiply with 0, you're going to get 0 only. Please don't skip it because the order will change. So I'm going to multiply with the column. So 2, 1, 3, minus 3, 0, 1. So directly I can write it down. Minus 3, 0 and 1. So now I have 6 minus 1 plus 9. Minus 9 minus 0 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 6. 3 plus 2. Now I will have 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 minus 1 is 14. So here 6 minus 2 is 4. Minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. So with this, sixth subdivision gets over. If you have any doubts, mention it in the comment box.
Like, comment, share and subscribe.